Hi everyone, hi YouTubers. Today, Lee Valley shop. For a change, it's a paper. Environmental friendly. I want to show you some of my gadgets, tools I bought today. This is really nice stuff. Of course I have a knife and stuff, but this is heavy duty, 2-in-1. It's really nice. I tried one, and when I tried it, it is made in China, but it's a looks like a high quality tool. Anyway, I want to show you how it works really nice. Like, it has a little bit, see, resistance for opening, so you cannot open it easily. Like, you have to really want to open it, and of course it locks here. Like similar knife. I like the kind of this kind of a blade because it's kind of pointy and it's unique. But it's only one reason why I bought this particular knife. Look at this feature. It comes with the really nicely machined scissors, and they're really nice. See. Oh, that's plastic, that's why. They're really cutting nicely. Kind of and of course they go inside nicely. See. So I'm gonna use this knife to open this guy here. Live animal cage trap. That's the size. No assembly required for catching mice, wolves, and other animals. Yeah. So I want to cut it open because I already bought the smaller one, but this is like interesting one because it's a bigger one. Illustration, how it works. Honestly, I really don't know how to set it up. I just know it looks like a, okay, it looks like a quality stuff, but how exactly does it work, I really don't know. I will have to figure that out. Read the manuals or something. Really don't know. This is the other stuff what I bought. This is more for lazy guys like me. Long handheld grass shears. Shears on English. Shears. On German it's a šere or škare. Ili makaze, škare na hrvatskom. Šere on German, in English shears. Made in Thailand. But they really I like these guys. I have a smaller one, smaller set, and of course it's handheld. You can hold it in your arms and do the work. But this is it's probably locked right here. Yeah, but this is interesting because you should be able to set up the angle. Let me see. It's some kind of locked. See, that's what happens when you don't read the This is only read the papers how it works. Of course, it's gonna be locked in this position. You press here and it's locked. And you unlock it and you can use it. But it's supposed to roll. Maybe unlock it here. No. You press somewhere. Oh, you can even move that around. But how do you unlock it? Just like that. Yeah. And just too gentle. So it goes like this. And the funny thing about this, you can adjust the angle and they roll independently. They roll around, and of course you can use it differently. You can even use it for the cutting hard to reach fences, or you can just use it as a trimmer, right? You can adjust the height, low or high, and then for lazy guys like me, just go. Lock it, store it, unlock it. When I saw this, I just couldn't resist not to buy it. Yeah, so that's rotting. Yeah, that's good angle. I'm gonna leave it there. And one more thing, show you, of course, made in Japan, best quality, made in Japan. I like this stuff. Look at this feature. Small Velcro. It's gonna be rusted, but it's they claim it's a hard steel here and soft steel here, or vice versa. I'm not quite sure. And it's a hardwood. It's called the Japanese wedger. So you need to cut like cut stuff around weed edger or weed eater cutter. But this thing is interesting. I still don't know how exactly does it work. I assume, but assumption is not always good. I know the both, they need to be up, and I guess when they step here or here, they move it. So then the door goes down. And you can use these guys to transport the catch, the caught animal. So is it working like this? Oh, I see. It falls down, it blocks the, so it cannot be open. So this, of course, needs to be on the other side, right? Just without reading anything. It has to be here. And then, how do you, oh, okay. This, okay. It goes up, this goes up, and this thing should be adjusted like this. There you go. Like this, and when you go inside, you touch this thing and it falls down. So it is nice. And if they try to go, that should be on the other side, right? It's gonna be immediately locked. So do it one more time. Open up, just this guy underneath. So from this side, you put the bait here, and you adjust it like this. Very, has to be very carefully adjusted, right? Because if it's not adjusted right, it's not gonna work. So it has to be like just touching slightly, so underneath. very, very tricky to put. Very, very tricky. See, that's the thing. And you go inside, so both of these things should be on this side, I guess. So because they need to lock these guys here. And when the guy comes inside and walk on this thing, watch this here. It locks down. This goes down and there is no way out. So easy, see through, and you just transport the guy and release it. Release it in the nature, right? That's a good design because on both sides, if I put it over there, either side goes, it's gonna, both ends gonna be trapped down. And it's very, very nice, tricky design. So there is no way. You have to engage that and it's gonna be done. Thank you for watching. A little bit more extra time because right now I'm on my vacation, so I have extra time to work on in the garden. So that's why all this stuff and all this stuff from my friends. Gardening tools, made in Japan, made in China, or just practically made. This one is, I think, Taiwan made. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.